All right, guys, I got a Honda Accord here. All right, the AC is blowing hot on one side and cold on the other side, and this little line is not too cold, guys. All right, this is a V6. This is a 2004 model. Let me show you guys what's going on here. All right, guys, what's happening here is it's cold here and hot here. Well, pretty much it's really cold over there like it's supposed to be. Then it's cold but not cold as that. And then it's cold but not cold as this and that. So pretty much it's cold and then it's warming up. And over here all I have is like a hot air. And guys, check this out. I got my AC on. This is single control, alright, not dual. If you have dual, you have blend motors for this side, blend motors for this side. Then your blend motor could be bad, but in this case it's a different story. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is, look at this, 46 degrees in this little guy right here. I'm pointing, you see my laser right there? I'm pointing my laser right there. 46.7 degrees. Over there you got 44 degrees. Then you got 48. Then you got 60 degrees, guys. Look at that. And we're just gonna go across. Then we got 71 degrees. So you see that? The problem here is the AC system doesn't have enough Freon. All right, this guy never services his car, so this car does not have any problem. All we need to do is service the AC system with my AC machine and watch how the temperature becomes normal in all 4 vents. All right, guys, so let me hook up my machine and then you'll see what exactly I did. All right, guys, got my machine hooked up to this little guy, and it's only been 1 minute since I pulled out the machine from there to here and I hooked it up. All right, and this line could not have dried up that fast. So this line's supposed to have moisture on it. If you're running the AC on it, pretty much it's gonna, you know how your cup of water is cold and it's all water around it? That's how it's supposed to be. So all you're gonna do is get your car serviced, have an AC service. All right, they're gonna pull out all your Freon, the oil, put new oil for the AC compressor and put in new Freon. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna recover this guy right here. All right, so I'm gonna do a recovery and reservice everything. All right, and that's it, guys, and that should take care of that problem. If you have any issues, send me a message. All right.